If your shoes are starting to look like this, stop. Whatever you do, don't grab one of these cheap polishes. You'll destroy your shoes faster than you realize. Instead, I'm going to show you the quick and easy process it actually takes to properly clean and condition your leather dress shoes the right way. And yes, I am going to rant all the way through because I see way too many people completely ruining their leather with the wrong products, and that needs to stop. I'm Evan, and it's my goal to share the skills and tools needed to love your leather. Stay until the end because I'll also be sharing how to completely restore your hardware on your footwear as well. So let's get to it. Step 1, literally all you need is a leather safe cleaner. Dish soap, it's the wrong pH. It dries leather out and causes cracking. Saddle soap, same problem. It's harsh, too alkaline, and most people slop on way too much. Yeah, I know I'm gonna get comments for that one. I use Leather Honey. Why? It's pH balanced and it's EPA Safer Choice certified, meaning that it meets strict government criteria for being non-toxic and safer for you, your family, and your leather. Don't soak your leather, just apply a small amount and then scrub with a gentle brush to get into all those nooks and crannies. Then wipe it off immediately so that the leather doesn't absorb too much moisture. Clean, done, safe. Which brings us to that your shoes stink. Why? Because you clean and polish the outside but never touch the inside, and that's on you. Here's the fix. Treat the inside the same way you treat the outside. A little leather safe cleaner, quick scrub-a-dub-dub, and then wipe it dry. Don't overdo it, just enough to get the gunk and bacteria out. And listen, make sure they dry completely before wearing or storing, because if you don't, the smell will come back probably worse than before. It's that simple. Next, conditioning. Stop dumping loads of wax conditioners on your shoes. I use Leather Honey leather conditioner. Why? Because it doesn't use any waxes that can clog your pores and keep your leather from breathing properly. It's oil-based, so it conditions deeply into your leather instead of wax, which just stays on the surface. What that means is that your leather doesn't have to be conditioned all the time. You can easily go as much as 6 months before having to recondition again. It's literally Amazon's #1 best-selling leather conditioner with more than 65,000 5-star reviews for a reason. Give it a try, you won't be disappointed, and if you are, get your money back and go buy something else. But you won't have to. What most people don't understand, and it's okay if you don't either, but leather is skin, and just like yours, it can become dry, and when it's dry, it begins to fade the color. Most people try to fix the color by applying dyes or pigmented polishes, but forget to condition. 9 times out of 10, all you need to do is condition your leather in order to actually bring the color back, not re-dye it, and definitely not slather it with wax polish. Rather, keep your leather looking its best with a simple clean and condition, and you're good to go. If your leather does need recoloring, I will leave my top suggestions below that are quick, effective, and easy to apply while maintaining your leather's best integrity. If you guys want to shine, use a little neutral polish and buff it with a horsehair brush. That's it. And here's the key. If you do use polish, always clean off the old layer before adding more. Otherwise, you're just stacking junk on junk, and that's why your shoes look dull and caked. Alright, the leather on these loafers is looking phenomenal now, but the hardware is still a little dead. It's tarnished, dull, and just sad. So I'll be fixing it with Brasso. It's dirt cheap, and if you've never used it before, it's like under $5 for a bottle that you will never even get through in your lifetime. I'll go ahead and leave my link in the description. I just used a couple of drops to get these Allen Edmond horsebit loafers back to life. Now, make sure you don't let this stuff touch your leather. It'll either stain it or dry it out. All you need is a cloth or even a napkin to shield the leather while you polish. Then take either another cloth or cotton swab to rub in a few drops of Brasso, and then literally watch the tarnish wipe away. You don't need much. Once it's clean, buff off the excess and boom, the hardware shines like new. For pennies, guys, that's how you respect your shoes without wasting money or ruining your leather. Now, here's something most people don't think about. Your shoes are cracking and creasing, not only because you're not conditioning, but because you're not using shoe trees. Stop throwing away your shoes just because they lose their shape. Shoe trees, or at least stuffing them with recycled paper, will actually keep your shoes firm and extend their life by years. And here's the secret weapon. Always brush your leather footwear after each wear. Just a quick pass with the horsehair brush removes the dust, dirt, and debris that crack your leather, dry it out, and make it look old. So the ball is in your court now, and if you want shoes that look amazing, get complimented, last long, and feel comfortable, take these steps seriously, apply them, stop slathering all that polish, and enjoy your shoes 10 times more. Remember to love your leather.